Welcome back in the VMware tutorial. As in the last video, I told you that we can install VMware tools and we get the additional feature. So I'm just going to describe few of feature of VMware tools after the installation. So in the last video, I taught you how to install VMware tool. Now see how to configure the VMware tools so that we can get the additional features of it. As of time being, I did not set any folder from physical computer, as you can say the host operating system, but now I want to get a folder there from the physical computer so that I can keep files, I can share application, I can share programs, and I can seamlessly transfer files and applications from virtual environment to physical environment. If you have idea about networking, this you can relate, like there are two computers and there might be a switch connected together forming a network. So once a computer is on a network, you can share some resources, and if the resources are being shared here, that would be shown to you. Obviously there is a certain setting, like your computer is not visible, like this computer is not visible in the network. So I have to make changes here so that computers on the network can see if I have any share file and folders on this computer. Likewise, on other computers also, the same settings must be turned on. You can turn on from here as well, or you can go to network and sharing center, and from there also you can turn it on. So click yes, turn on network discovery and file sharing for all public network. If it is a private network, then you have to select this one as well. So for me, I would happy with the public network connections. There is no problem. Click yes. But still I have make computer visible. It would not show any shared folder as we did not configure that kind of thing. So let let the process be done. Till the time I'm going to configure the VMware tools. So I would click on VM and click on settings. If the VMware tool is being properly installed, if you click on options under virtual machine settings options tab, and if you select shared folder, you would find the shared folder feature is as of now disabled. The shared folder feature allows you to transfer file from guest operating system to host operating system and vice versa. So you can select whether you want to keep always enabled or you want to enable until next power off or suspend. So it's up to you. You can select. Once you have selected the option, you can map the network drive in guest operating system, or you can simply add. So that up to you. You can do any of the way. As of now, I would just click on add. Now the next window asks you to give the necessary configuration for the folder which you want to share. So as of now, if I click next, I have to specify the host path which would be shared with the guest operating system. So clicking browse, you can define which device or which drive or which folder you want to share. For us, I would be selecting a software folder containing all the software on my physical computer, and I would click on OK. So once I click OK, I see the path has been mentioned as CD drive and the software folder. I can choose any shared folder name. So as of now, I just want to go with the default option. I would click next and click on finish. If you check the box read only, this drive or the folder which we are sharing, it would be in read only format. It means the guest operating system can access file but cannot keep file on the shared drive. So for me, I would be keeping rewritable format. I would just click on finish and click on OK. Half of the part has been done, and you can see there is no drive being shown to you. So once again, you can refresh this window, network window, and it would show you VMware host. The VMware host is actually your physical computer, and if you double click on the VMware host, it would show you the shared folders. So whatsoever the shared folders are there on the uh, physical computer, it would be listed here. As of now, I just said software folder, and you can see these all are the folders which are these all are the files and folders available on the software folder. So from here, I can use any of the file and I can install on this computer. So as of now, in this video, we talked about how to use the VMware tool to enhance the feature of this virtual machine. In the next coming video, I would be showing you how to make snapshot of the computer so that if any point of time if you want to revert it back, you can use that feature as well. So as of now, thanks for listening.